In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a device to Google Find Hub. The good news is that in most cases, you do not need to manually add your device one by one. If you sign in to your Android device with your Google account, compatible Android devices and connected accessories are typically added to Google's tracking service automatically. So this process is really about making sure the feature is turned on and knowing where to manage your devices afterward. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android device. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find Google, then tap on it. Inside the Google section, look for Find Hub, or on some devices, it may still appear as Find My Device. The name can vary a little depending on your Android version or device brand, but the purpose is the same. When you open that section, look for the option called Allow a device to be located. Make sure that toggle is turned on. This is the key setting that allows your phone or tablet to be found through Google's device tracking system. If this setting is off, the device may not appear properly for tracking and management, even if you're already signed in. Once that option is enabled, your device is ready to work with Google Find Hub. Since devices are generally registered automatically through your Google account, turning this setting on is usually the most important part of the setup. After that, if you want to track, locate, or manage your registered devices, you have two simple options. You can download the Find My Device app from the Google Play Store, which gives you a dedicated mobile app for checking your devices. Or, if you prefer using a browser, you can go to android.com/find. That website lets you sign in and view the devices connected to your Google account so you can locate them, review their status, and access available management tools. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're signed into the correct Google account on the device you want to find. If you use more than one account, it's easy to check the wrong one and think the device was never added. Also, keep in mind that location-related features work best when your device has internet access and the necessary permissions enabled. And that's it. To add a device to Google Find Hub, you usually just sign in with your Google account, go to Settings, open Google, tap Find Hub or Find My Device, and turn on Allow a device to be located. Then you can manage everything through the app or the website.